everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about a great alternative to MidJourney, a website that I've used and it can be a great alternative. Unfortunately, MidJourney has recently switched to a paid subscription model, which may not be affordable or suitable for everyone. That's why I've done some research and found another website that offers similar features and benefits, but for free. It's called BlueWillow, and I've been using it for a while now with great results. I'll also give you some tips and tricks to make the most out of BlueWillow, and answer some common questions about it. But before we dive in, let me quickly explain what BlueWillow is and how it works. BlueWillow is a free AI art generator that creates stunning AI-generated images. Beautiful, unique and inspiring AI creations are at your fingertips. So, if you're looking for a best alternative for MidJourney, then keep watching. Let's get started.
Okay, first of all, you need to go to google.com and type BlueWillow. After that, you will see a website on the top. Click on that and you will check out the website. Just go to join the free beta. So I am clicking on this. After that, you need to accept the invite. Click on accept invite. After that, opening Discord app and you will see some settings here. So just check out carefully. Here you need to select the language. So I am selecting English and then click on next. After that, you need to click on the finish. After finishing, you will see a lot of option here in left side. Here you can see rookie 45, rookie 46, rookie 47. So you can select any rookies. You can work as like MidJourney. So here I am writing a command. Imagine and you need to type any prompt and it will generate an image. So I am writing an image generation prompt. And you need to just click on enter. Here you can see great prompt, we are working on it. Stay tuned for fun images. So it is taking time and you need to wait and you will see the results after some time. So here we can scroll down and let's see it. Okay, here it is cat with dog and balloon. So you can see the images after clicking, and you will also open in new browser. If you need to enlarge the image, then just click on U1 for upscaling the image. So I am clicking on U1. You can also click on V1 for more variations. So I have clicked on U1 and you will see the upscale image soon. So I am scrolling down. Here it is the image, this one. So you can see very clear image. So this website and this platform is also work like MidJourney, so you can try. And if you like my videos, then you can subscribe my channel and like the videos. Thanks for watching.